Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on my mini r53 aka Chubs. What I'm doing is changing the rocker cover gasket. Not long ago I switched out my OEM bolts for stainless steel bolts and we're worried that they aren't causing a very good seal. I also lost one of them bolts, which really isn't helping because we had to use a substitute. So yeah, we changed the rocker cover gasket. The other option is that the head is leaking, which is a very real possibility and will cause me a massive pain because this is the only mini in the UK with an e-torque big valve head. So we're just a little bit worried that it's not got a very good seal or that it's possibly cracked somewhere because it was welded for the VVC to be taken out of. So yeah, so here I am just undoing my clamps and getting ready to take my Topman AirTech intercooler off. And once I've done that, it is time to pop out them ignition leads and take off the coil pack because the coil pack gets in the way when you're trying to take the rocker cover off. It just makes it a little bit easier. And time to unbolt that rocker cover. Isn't it pretty? It's very pretty. And then once that's all done and the rocker cover is off, what I'll do is I'll take the rocker cover away from the car, pop the gasket in and the O-rings away from the car, and then I'll come back and clean up the head from the old silicone and pop some new silicone on. Here is my pretty head. Clean. You can see where it's been leaking here. A happy sign for me. I feel like I'm the only person that'd be happy to know I have an oil leak, but it's happy to know where it's from that I'm happy about. So yeah, time to clean up, get all the silicone off and then put a new gasket on. Now we're all back together, everything's clean. So we replaced what was the stainless steel bolts. Oh, got a chip now. What was the stainless steel bolts back with OEM ones because we didn't think they were getting a very good seal. Although you can get some prettier ones on orange, but I opted for these. And there we go. All done. Happy Chubs. And here's a quick TikTok I created while doing this job. If you want to have a look at this TikTok or any of the other minis TikToks, then my username is Rach_Smythe. Chubs will also be at Fast Show at Santapod Raceway on the 3rd of April this year, which I am super excited for. He's going to be in the show and shine paddock, where you can see all his glory. You can see all them little details like the Space Invader roof, or the inside, which is like really cool and seems to be what everyone loves. So inside it all like glows in the dark and there's a UV light in there. It's very cool in the dark. So yeah, if you want to pop over and have a look, it'd be much appreciated. And of course, if you want to say hello or anything, I'll be around the car somewhere. So yeah, thank you, bye.